Okay, get ready, team. Give me 3, dig them hard. Go! Get down! Stay down a minute, I'm gonna bump off the undercut. Jump up. Good job, Pink. Stay loose. Give me 1. Give me 2. Give me 1. Give me 2. I had to realign the boat. You guys are doing great. Relax. Give me 2 more. 2 more, baby. A good splash. I even got it. Good job. Thank you so much for coming rafting on the Ocoee.